It's Macie Ray back at you again. I hope you're having a beautiful day and welcome back to the second video of my Macie Tries Internet Trends video series. I couldn't find my words there. But as you can see, I am in my bathroom right now, which means, girl, we're getting a little messy today. That's right, you guys voted on my Sun 102 Facebook post. I asked you guys what internet trend you wanted to see me try next, and one of the options happened to be tie-dyeing or acid washing, I think that's what you call it, and you guys voted for this particular video, which I'm so excited about. Tie-dyeing and acid washing or bleaching clothes is very in right now, and obviously I've already tried it. My boyfriend and I did this one. The back is really cool, actually. It's pretty cool. So for today I'm going to do this again, but on something a little different. For today, I'm going to be doing the acid washing on a pair of sweatpants that I've had for a little bit. I think they have bleach somewhere else on here, so it's not gonna hurt my feelings if they don't work out, but we're gonna give it a shot because the whole acid wash thing is in right now, and acid wash sweatpants are also in. And I'm also going to be tie-dyeing just a plain white shirt. Oh, it's all tangled up. Hang on. There you go, I went to Walmart and I just grabbed this plain white shirt. Hopefully I can like tie it up, make it really cute. Hopefully it turns out because I really want like a cute tie-dye shirt. And then I also got this tie-dye kit. So this was literally the only one there. I think lots of people have been grabbing these to do while they are stuck in their houses and there's not a lot to do. So might as well try out some DIYs, right? So this kit comes with 5 different colors. They're pretty basic, just green, blue, purple, red, and yellow. And it also comes with some gloves because we don't want to get our hands like blue or red or whatever. Oh, it also comes with extra dye. I think that's what that is. And then some rubber bands. So I guess let's see, what do we have to do? I don't know what colors I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do blue and yellow, just because I think those colors look cute together. But also red's my favorite color, so I don't know. All right, to start off, I've already got some clothes on that I'm not scared to get dye on because I'm kind of messy. And then I'm also just gonna take off my jewelry so I don't wreck them. And then for cleaning purposes, I'm actually going to do everything in these little tubs with bags because I don't know what the dye does and I don't want it to wreck the bathtub or anything. So I'm just gonna do the dyeing in these little tubs so that it stays here. You know what I mean? I forgot to talk about the bleaching part. So for the bleaching, I said I was gonna do the pants, and then I just got people on the internet said that this one works and gives a cooler effect. So we're gonna try this bleach. I guess let's get started. I'm gonna start with the bleach one. Now there's a whole bunch of different techniques that you can do to get the kind of cool thing or the cool design that you want. For these, I kind of just want it to be random, so all I'm gonna do is scrunch them, yeah, like that, and then I'm gonna tie elastic bands over them, or over the pants. I just flung bands everywhere. Alright, so now that I have it in this weird ball thingy, I'm going to go ahead and put some water on it and completely soak it so that the bleach can get in and everywhere. Alright, so now that it's all wet, I'm just going to put it in here and I guess go crazy with the bleach. Babe, yeah. Can you do me a favor? I need paper towel. It's getting on my hands and I don't want to touch something in like a towel. Thank you.
You are
Alright, so I've finished the bleaching process, and I'd like to add that I really don't know exactly what I'm doing, but as you can see, the bleach is on there and the sweatpants are already kind of starting to turn. It's not the cutest color. I really hope this works out, but this is all experimental and it's all for the fun of it. Alright, so now we're just gonna set these sweatpants off to the side, and I'm just gonna leave them until I feel like they're good. But now, it's time for the fun part. All right, so the color combination that I will be doing is, that's a drum roll, blue and purple. So this says on the bottle to fill to line with water and shake until it dissolves. So I have to fill it up to that line and then shake it until it becomes dye. Cool, so I already got dye on my leg. If I have any word of advice, it would be to make sure the lids are all the way on. And I've already gotten dye on my finger, so that's awesome too. So just be careful when you're shaking them. All right, so now that it's in a cute, fun little spiral pattern with the elastics, which I'm not sure I did this right, but it's fun. It's experimental. We're trying things. We're gonna head on to the dyeing process, but I have to put on the gloves, which are bigger than my head. They're bigger than my head, but we're gonna put them on before I do anything else. All right, so I'm gonna open this up carefully. So let's get started. First color I'm gonna do is purple, and I'm kind of just gonna go, there's like little individual triangles, and I'm gonna go purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. Here goes nothing. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Honestly, I think it looks pretty cute. You can see the purple and the blue. This shirt, honestly, I probably would have gotten a different texture or different material. I don't really know the difference between materials, but this one, the dye didn't really take. It took a lot. I had to keep pushing it into the shirt. It would kind of just roll off into the bin. But I'm excited to see what this looks like. I don't know if it'll actually be a spiral. It might just be a purpley blue-ish shirt. I guess we'll see. All right, so the tie-dye says it has to let it sit for 6 to 8 hours, so I'm probably gonna have to finish this video tomorrow morning and we'll see the results. But the pants, on the other hand, the pants are turning. I'm gonna leave them sit for maybe an hour and then I'll check up on these, but the shirt is in there and I'm really excited to see how these both turn out. I'm more excited with this one though because colors are fun. All right, so I set an alarmer for around 6:30 and hopefully that shirt will be done by then, but can I just say that I'm literally the messiest person in the world. It's all over my arm, it's all over my legs. Sad day. Okay, so it's the next day. Obviously things took a little bit longer than I thought they would, but last night I rinsed them out and I washed them separately so they're all ready to go, and time for the big reveal. I'm not wearing the shirt yet because that's the super exciting part. But for the pants, this is how they turned out. They're pretty cool. I don't really have a shirt that goes with them, so I'll have to find something. But yeah, they turned out kind of cool. Like, I really like them. Now it's time for the exciting part, the tie-dye shirt, go. And this is the tie-dye shirt that I did. Obviously it turned out, I'm really proud of it. It looks really cool. I just paired it with some black jeans and a belt, and I'm really happy. But I do want to say thank you so much for tuning in and watching the second video of this series. Let me know what trend you want me to try next, and you can hear me every single day, Sun 102 in the afternoons.